everyone, this is Tats Pusong Palaban, ang bagong issue sera ng bayan. So ayun nga guys, for today's video, ibabahagi ko lang sa inyo na si Maha Salvador ay nakapanganak na sa bansang Canada. At so ayun, nakaraos na siya, nakapagsilang siya ng isang batang babae. Ayan, so congratulations sa iyo Maha. At sa kanyang post sa Instagram ay nagbahagi siya ng iba't ibang larawan at nagkwento ng tungkol sa journey niya sa kanyang panganganak. So ayun guys, hatayaan yung basahin ko sa inyo ang kanyang kwento sa kanyang post sa Instagram. I experienced intense 30-hour labor, 12 hours without epidural, 3 hours of pushing, then ended up having episiotomy and forceps. 2 construction and 7 pushes later, we finally welcome our baby Maria. Immediately had 10 minutes of skin-to-skin contact with her, but biglang nagka-emergency. I had uterine inversion kaya kinakailangan nilang kunin sa akin si Maria at binigay nila kay Rambo, who was seated helplessly next to my bed. 3 OB-GYN were there trying to put back my uterus manually, which led to blood loss of 3 to 4 liters. Then my blood pressure went down to 60/40. Sinabihan na lang ako ng doula ko na anytime I would have to go to the operating room for surgery. That time, sabi ko na lang sa sarili ko na I can't do anything anymore. Ubos na ang lakas ko. I started praying Hail Mary paulit-ulit kahit wala na akong lakas. And miraculously, after their last attempt, one of the OB-GYN succeeded in repositioning my uterus. Amen. Despite the challenging journey, gusto kong express ang gratitude ko to the all medical personnel na nandun nun, especially to the Filipino nurses who provided unwavering care and support. Ate Vanessa, Angela, Ate Gloria, Ate Christina, and Ate Beverly, thank you. To my doula Grace, thank you for everything. You did your part beyond your job. You're amazing. Recovering now. Ang swerte kong kasama ko ang pamilya ko dito sa Canada. Love you, Mama, Kirby, Martin, Mom. See you soon, Ate Yans, Kuya, and Big Babies. Thank you also, Diana Babes and Jayalyn. To my husband, I love you. To my Maria, everything is worth it. I love you, anak. Ayun, congratulations sa iyo, Maha Salvador. Ayan, at welcome to the world, baby Maria.